This is all private property. It's not within the jurisdiction of the corporate state of Florida.
We're done with this. Go ahead and step out.
The sovereign citizen games don't play here.
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
Well, you need a license to drive.
This self-proclaimed American national really thought he could out-sovereign the cops? Yeah, good luck with that. Straight out of Michigan and straight into a pair of handcuffs. The guy starts rattling off fake laws like he's quoting a Reddit thread written in crayon. But these Florida officers? Stone-faced and done with the nonsense. You can literally pinpoint the second they stop humoring him and start prepping his express trip to county jail. Let's jump into the body cam footage and watch this courtroom wannabe crash and burn in real time.
Stay in the car. Sir, what's going on? I'm trying to pull you over.
I just wanted to park.
Okay. Do you live here?
I'm in right here, yeah.
Okay. So usually when you get pulled over, you don't stop where you want to stop, okay? It's very dangerous for us, all right? So the reason for the stop is two things. One, you're not wearing your seatbelt. The second, when I was coming behind you, you ran the stop sign.
I didn't run the stop sign.
You did.
I put my blinker on.
Okay, you put your blinker on, but you didn't stop at the stop sign. Do you have the driver's license, registration, insurance?
No, I don't have all of that stuff.
Okay.
I operate outside of your jurisdiction.
What does that mean?
This is a private automobile.
Okay.
It's registered to a private estate.
Okay.
Dude, you can. Throw on a suit, drop some fancy words, and act like you're a freedom wizard from the off-grid galaxy, but let's be real. You're still breaking the law. You can't just opt out of jurisdiction like it's some gym membership you forgot to cancel. Nice try, though. Florida ain't falling for it. And judging by this cop's face, neither is he.
So you have no form of identification?
Let's start with this.
Okay. Just do me a favor, stay in the car, okay, sir?
Here. And that.
Not a problem. Do me a favor, don't get out of the vehicle, please. Yeah, it's Motor 44. I'm dealing with a Sovereign. I'm at 19 Seaville Drive. If one of you can come over here.
Oh, I would love to.
Here's a little reality check for all the sovereign citizens out there. If your so-called magic paperwork actually held any power, cops wouldn't be handing it back like it's some junk mail. And let's be honest, you wouldn't need to flash it at every single traffic stop like it's your VIP pass to Neverland.
So you don't have a driver's license, sir?
No.
So I ran your tag. It's not coming back to anything.
No,
I need to identify you, sir.
It's registered to a private estate.
Okay, so where is your identification? Okay. Are you giving me this?
This is all private property. It's not within the jurisdiction of the corporate state of Florida.
Okay.
You work for the corporation, am I correct?
Sure.
State of Florida?
Yeah.
The corporation incorporated. All right. I have no contract with them. No driver's license, no registration. The car belongs to a private estate.
Okay.
Florida's roads aren't your personal playground. And no, they're not secretly owned by some imaginary corporation you pieced together from a Facebook rabbit hole. This is state-owned land, not some Dollar Tree backlot where you get to play sovereign stuntman. If you're not paying taxes or following traffic laws, what makes you think you get to cruise around like it's Mad Max, Freedom Edition?
So, private estate trust. It's a private estate.
Okay. So in the state of Florida, sir, you need a valid driver's license to operate a motor vehicle upon our streets, okay? Also, I have no way of identifying you, okay? You have a document in your possession that says passport, but it is not a passport.
It is a passport.
It is not a passport, sir.
This passport is on record with...
Okay.
With...
You have a driver's license?
Nope.
No, I don't have one of those. As I'm telling him, it's in a private estate.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand this back to you, sir. So, have you ever had a driver's license in the state of Florida?
No.
Any other state in the country?
I have none of those. Haven't had one, don't use them.
Okay. What's your first name?
You can call me Anthony.
Is that your government name or?
That is my given.
Okay, sir. So here's what's gonna end up happening. Okay, if you do not identify yourself, you will be going to jail. I would hate to do that.
I'm giving you my identification.
That's not a valid identification.
Anthony, state of Florida, you need a driver's license to drive. It's that simple.
No.
So if you don't have a driver's license, you can go to jail. That's what's going to happen today.
I'm trying to be respectful to
I
you,
am
sir.
too. A license is not...
I already told you what's going to happen. That's where we're at. We're not playing the game today.
Yeah, this isn't even...
That's not a passport.
No, it's not.
Come on, man. Just wrap it up. If your bootleg warning letter and homemade arts and crafts ID card didn't convince anybody, quoting some obscure court case from 1983 isn't about to flip the script, especially when the deputy already hit you with that classic "I'm done" tone. This isn't a courtroom. It's the side of the road and nobody's buying your mixtape of legal nonsense.
All right.
So
Traveling upon and transporting
Do you have a
one's...
driver's license, Anthony?
Traveling upon and transporting one's property
One more time.
upon
Do you have a
public
driver's
roads,
license, Anthony?
which is a
Anthony,
right.
hold on. Before this,
We're done with this. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle. Do it now.
Step out of the vehicle.
All right. I'm coming out. Vincent?
you don't have to talk to him right now, sir.
Vincent?
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist.
You got my car, okay?
tensing. Stop tensing.
Stop right now.
Put your hands behind your back and stop tensing.
You got my car? I'll leave it
We'll
here.
leave it here. That's fine. Can I have the keys? Can he have
It's
the
the
keys?
Just
keys are
one
in-
second. I'll talk to you after this is all done and said with here.
Wait a second. Weren't you the one going off about precise legal language? And now suddenly a car and an automobile are magically the same thing? That's just too convenient. And by your own bizarre rule book, even talking to the officer means you've just entered into contract with the government or whatever. So congrats, my guy. You're officially a federal employee now. Better start paying those taxes you keep ranting about.
Do you have anything on your person that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No. I have
Separate your
yogurt
feet.
in the front seat. Would you
Separate
put
your
it in
feet.
the-
Separate your feet, sir. All you had to do was identify yourself, sir.
That's identification, man.
I already called 1015.
Oh, okay.
All I require is the passport with me.
Okay.
Would you just give me
That's
my
temple
wallet
charge.
and my lighter and change, or can you just put it back in the car?
You can put it back in the car. Unless you want him to have it, I can give it to him.
Yeah, that's 10-4. We have a 10-15. He failed to identify himself. Can I put
yeah,
him in your
you
car
can take
temporarily, or do you have
it,
stuff back there?
I took it out. Search.
My passport. I need my passport with me.
Oh, you mean that document? The one that got ignored, chuckled at, and basically turned into your express. Ticket to county lockup? Yeah, real courtroom brilliance there. With legal paperwork like that, who even needs enemies when you've got a printer, a YouTube guru, and a Reddit thread? Honestly, your best defense at this point might be claiming your ink cartridge was low. You're not above the law, you're barely above Microsoft Word. Next time, try downloading a lawyer instead of a conspiracy PDF.
It's lawful ID.
Be in evidence.
I think someone said they were on their way to us. I think someone said they were on the way to us. Have a seat, sir.
Yeah. The sovereign citizen games don't play here.
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
Well, you need a license to drive.
All right, man. If you're waddling into traffic with no license, flashing a bootleg Michigan passport, and quoting internet law like it's gospel, you're practically asking for that jail ride. And yep, that's exactly what he got. According to the video description, this genius was booked at the Volusia County Branch Jail for driving without a license, resisting without violence, and failing to register his vehicle. Oh, and get this. Plot twist. It wasn't even his. First run-in. Earlier that same month, he backed into a car and handed officers a passport that looked like it came out of a cereal box. At this rate, Florida cops probably have him on speed dial. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this madness, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom fails and sovereign citizen chaos. Catch you in the next one.